Hi everybody, welcome back to Future Cikgu Ahmad with me, Cik Mat. Okay, today we are going to learn the difference between m plus n and m times m. Still in algebra, of course, because there are lots more to learn about the basic of algebra. Okay, the difference is simple. M plus n is like one mango plus one mango. So there will be increase in the count, in the number. So it will become one mango and two plus one mango becomes two mango, of course. Right, two mangoes. Two mangoes. Very good taste. I like mangoes. Two mangoes. Two and that is it. Okay? And but what happens when you times the m's? M times n. Does it increase the count of the number? No. Times mean multiplying. So it increases the power of it. Power of m. So m, the power increases to 2. Because there are two n's. So it becomes m squared. Or you can say mm. Right. Why it is important to say mm also? Because when you times other things like for example, a times b, you know what it becomes? You have to think of yourself. But at the moment, m plus m is 2m. M times m is mm or m squared. Okay, that's all for today. See you again. Hope you keep practicing. Don't stop, don't give up until you are done. Okay, bye.